is the plane I am selecting, perpendicular plane to the curve. Okay, see here it is a curve endpoint. Okay, here it is a curve endpoint, but I am giving profile here some distance, at some distance. Okay, now exit the workbench. See, profile and the curve are not at the same point. It maintained by some distance. So here, is it possible or not to develop the rib? Let's see. Select the rib. This is the profile and the center of it is. So it is developed. Okay. Here I gave curvature of the line here. I draw profile here. So finally the solid is built here where the profile is there. Okay, this is the part. Here now we developed open profile, I mean open curvature. So let's see here, is it possible by closure curve? Okay, and I'm removing this corner edges. Okay, randomly. I'm not giving any dimensions, particular dimensions. This actually this is a curvature. Now I want profile. So set the plane. Okay, why I am choosing this plane means it should be at the point of here. So here I am giving again keyhole profile. Now exit the workbench. Set the rib. This is the curvature. Here you can see how profile is creating. Okay, preview. Okay, this is a one time. It is created as this as sketch of profile. Okay, now if I select this plane, if I give same keyhole profile here, so now I reduce the size of this keyhole. Now exit the workbench. See, means here you can observe that how the profile is developed by angle, because of I'm not selected at the end of the line. I selected at the edge of this plane here. Here it is, means the profile is selected built on the curve, so it formed along the curve with inclination. So total the center of the curvature is also developed by the inclination. Okay, where I selected the profile is on the curve, so the complete curve is developed by some inclination of this profile. So that is the difference. By choosing the profile, it is important the location also. Okay, let's delete. So let's say in this sketch ribbon, here we can see clean observation with hexagon shape how this is curved. If I select pulling direction along with the plane, how it's happening. See, this face is completely normal to where I selected the plane. Okay, here it's happening like pulling direction. If I selected the move profile to path, Okay, the profile will be whatever selected the sketches follows the guide of this selected curve path. If I select the moving path, okay, move profile to path. So this is a sketch. It follows the guide. Okay, let's see merge rips and okay, this is one. And another thing, here we can see the profile. If I select the profile, the instead of the we will become hello, the thickness we have to select here. Here it is thickness 1. If I give thickness 2, it develops some thickness. Here we can observe this. Okay, and here other thickness is also there. It develops outside of the profile. If I give 4 thickness, let's see, here outside it will be developed. Okay, from here to here it is 2 mm. From here to its outside it is 4 mm. There is a thickness. Okay, okay, I'm giving explain from here to see here. Here we have a gap between cup and this spline. Okay, now exit. So select the plane, choose I want to curve. I want to select here. Okay, now I want to draw a small curve. So this is the point. Here I want to give a small circle. Okay, exit workbench. Now I want to use rip option. Select the rip, profile, and center curve. Preview. Okay. Up to here it is okay, but it is not connected to curve. See here, to connect this profile to this plane, I'm using merge end. Okay, merge ribbons, thickness profile. Okay, preview. See this one is connected now. So there is the use of merge ribbons. Okay, now we build a coffee cup. Axis, hide this one. This is the cup we developed by using shaft and rip by using this handle. Okay, by using rip we developed this handle for the cup. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.